What's going on? So, dizziness can stem from various causes, but several natural remedies may help alleviate this unsettling sensation. One of the simplest ways to combat dizziness is to stay hydrated. Dehydration often leads to lightheadedness, so drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help restore balance. Put some lemon in there, put a pinch of salt in there. That's going to help a lot. Avoiding alcohol and excess caffeine, which can contribute to dehydration, is also very recommended. All right. Now, ginger is widely known for its natural remedies. Okay, ginger, and for dizziness in particular, when it's related to nausea or motion sickness. Now, consuming ginger tea or chewing on a small piece of ginger root can help settle the stomach and reduce the feeling of dizziness. Its anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to overall circulation, which is beneficial for those who experience dizziness or poor blood flow. Okay? Another helpful remedy is deep breathing. Deep breathing, taking slow, deep breaths can help calm the nervous system, increase oxygen levels basically, and reduce the feeling of dizziness caused by anxiety and stress. All right, practicing mindfulness or meditation, praying to God. That's the number one, praying to God. And also, it relieves your stress, knowing that you can leave all your problems in His hands. Certain essential oils such as peppermint or lavender helps provide release. Both oils have a calming properties that promote relaxation, easing the sensation of dizziness. All right. Now, if it continues, you're going to consult a doctor.